Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Trello boards for productivity. So first things first, you need to create your Trello board. A Trello board is your project's workspace. Examples of boards: personal tasks, work projects, social media planning, content calendar, and study planner. So you can click create board and name it, choose background, and then hit create. You could also use from any of the templates here in Trello, or you can start from scratch. So for example, if you want to create a new board, just click this create new board right here and then add a title for your board. Then after that, it will take you directly to your workspace. Inside your workspace, you can see here cards, and here you can do or you can add to do, doing, done. So the most popular is to do, the task you need to start, doing, task in progress, done, completed task. You can also do productivity setup. Here in Trello, you can see inbox, planner, and so on. So there are a lot of things that you can see here. You can also do daily productivity setup, today, tomorrow, this week, or completed. Choose whichever matches your workflow. So here, in order for you to start, you just have to click a card. Now, each card or a card is a task. So for productivity, each card should include the title, description, due date, checklist, labels, attachment, links if needed. Now, labels make tasks easier to scan quickly. So use labels for priority like high, medium, low, categories, design, research, writing, status, waiting, on hold, departments, marketing, sales. You can also add due dates to set reminders. You can use checklist. So you can also add different description here. Like you can write script, record video, edit video, upload, add thumbnail, publish, and promote. So once you're done adding details to your card, so what you're going to do is you need to drag cards between lists. So for example, you can drag this to do, in progress, or doing, and then once completed, and you can move this to done. It visually shows your progress and keeps your workflow smooth. You can also assign cards to your workmate or teammate. All you need to do is to invite them to your Trello board. You can also go to automate tasks with Butter, but this one is optional. You can use Power Apps too to add features. So basically, this is productivity tips for Trello. Keep your board clean, use templates if you want, or start from scratch. Plan your day, review weekly, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.